guys, Luke from Safety Shield, Operations Director. Fantastic to be involved in the Hitachi Dig Day. Great to be part of the Hitachi Connected family. Really pleased to be here showing Safety Shield and the AI pedestrian camera systems. And great to be involved with a company such as Hitachi. It's fantastic.
Really glad to be here with Engcon, with our friends here at Hitachi at this Dig Day. It's really great to see some friends here. We've got our Engcon on a range of machines from 3 ton up to 20 ton, showing off our products. Come down and see us.
I'm Pat Bulcock from S-Type X. We're here at Hitachi's Connected Technology Days. We work quite closely with Hitachi to give them a little bit of machine individuality. So we try very, very hard to personalise excavators with fancy flashing lights, high-end work light systems. We add checker plate.
This is Adrian Mann from Steelwrist UK, here supporting Hitachi at their Dig Day event. And what a wonderful event it is as well.
I'm the sales manager for Rototilt Limited UK. We're here to support Hitachi's Dig Day, and we're selling the Rototilt tilt rotator. We believe it's one of the best tilt rotators on the market.
Hi, I'm Danielle Barker from SITECH. We're the Trimble authorised dealer for the UK and Ireland and a really proud partner of Hitachi. Really, really happy to be here. Sunny day today, speaking to lots of customers, going really well.
I'm here at the Hitachi Dig Day with Leica Geosystems, showcasing 3D machine control. We've got it on this 135 with an Engcon tilt rotator. When this machine is running, we physically can't track beyond that wall. We can't put the bucket beyond it, we couldn't put the counterweight beyond it. This is our MC1 system.